In this video, I'm going to walk you through a comparison between Base44 and Lovable to help you decide which vibe coding platform is right for your next project. Let's dive in. Both platforms are fantastic entry-level tools, but they have some key differences in how they handle development. I'll start by looking at the key takeaways, noting that Base44 provides an all-in-one system managed by Wix, while Lovable tends to connect more easily to external systems. When I compare the pricing, I see that Base44 starts at $20 per month, making it slightly more affordable than Lovable's $21 starting point. Both offer free plans, but their features vary. Looking at the comparison table, I can see that while both support full-stack app generation and GitHub integration, Base44 lacks real-time collaboration and the ability to edit code on lower-tier plans. In contrast, Lovable offers more flexibility for advanced users who want to dive into the code. I'll scroll down to see who should use which tool. Base44 is perfect for those with no coding experience who need to build an app quickly. Lovable is better suited for users who have a basic understanding of coding and want more scalability. In my testing, I found that Base44's integrated functionality makes it incredibly easy to use right out of the box. For example, when I generated a flashlight app, the results were impressive. The platform automatically generated a clean, functional interface with a toggle button and smooth transitions, handling all the back-end logic seamlessly. It even provides immediate access to analytics, so I can track how the app performs right away. Whether you choose Base44 for its simplicity or Lovable for its flexibility, both are powerful tools for turning your ideas into reality. Good luck with your build. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.